Now, there are two types of URL: absolute URL and relative URL. Absolute URL is like disk C, disk D, or desktop. It describes a file's absolute location on the current computer. However, a relative URL is different. It describes another file's location in relation to the current file's location. For example, we are currently at the blue file. The red file is in the parent folder of the blue file's current location. The yellow file is in the child folder of the blue file's current location. In the future, your web program will be uploaded onto the server from your own computer. The server might not even have disk C, disk D, or even desktop. Therefore, if you use absolute URL, your program is basically unmovable. But if you use relative URL, you don't have this problem anymore. When the image and HTML file are stored in the same file folder, you only need to tell the src attribute the name of the image file. We also said that if you want, you can put a single dot and a slash before that file name. So here's the first question. What does that single dot slash mean? Well, a relative URL is quite like a navigation command. It tells the system how to find the destination file from the current file location. You start from your file's current location, single dot slash. From there, you have two ways to go: going upward or going downward. Going upward means going to the parent file folder of the current file location. To go upward once, you just put one double dot slash behind the single dot slash. To go up twice, you put two double dot slash. For example, if you want to go to the parent folder, you add a double dot slash behind the single dot slash. If you want to go to the grandparent folder, you put two sets of double dot slash behind the single dot slash. But going downward means getting into the child folder. You only need to provide the name of the child folder you want to get into. For example, if we are currently at the Galaxy file folder and want to get into the child file folder Earth, this is what you do. Single dot slash, then the child folder name, Earth. If you are currently at the Earth file folder and want to go to the Mars folder, this is what you do. Single dot slash, then double dot slash to leave Earth, then the destination file folder, Mars. Thus, so far, you should know why root folder is so important. We need an ultimate boundary for file storage. Otherwise, your relative URL would be extremely long.